How to fix Zelle error code 2900. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are facing such error code, there might be a network issue. In order to fix it, scroll down the notification center and make sure that you are connected to a better Wi-Fi connection. If not, switch into your cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, if you are connected to any of the VPN, just because Zelle is unable for your region, make sure to disable it. Once you have done it, now head over to your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps and click on it. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Zelle. Now in here, for stop your application, head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This will fix any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. Last but not the least, open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Zelle. Now in here, if you see any of the available update for the application, leave your app for an update. Otherwise, the last resort is to uninstall the app and reinstall it later. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.